And first of all, our heartfelt congratulations to Konthoujam Devikarani Devi. At such a young age, she has represented our country and won the silver medal at the Asian Junior Wushu Championship. And it is just the start. She has miles to go, and we know that she is going to play a vital role in the development of sports in our country. And it is not just her personal achievement, she is also going to surely inspire many other athletes who are present in the state of Manipur. And we all know that Manipur is synonymous with sports. Most of the Asian Commonwealth Games, if we see, most of the participants are from the state of Manipur. Maximum participants are from the states of Manipur. And for our Canara Bank, we are having 7-8 branches here. We are also planning to open another 3 branches. And as part of our corporate responsibility, we are supporting sports at all levels. Every year we are supporting 8 to 10 athletes by providing them that sports equipments. And also we are trying to develop some artificial turf grounds and so that to establish the sporting culture in Manipur, which is already present, but it needs a little push, and we are in that. And so congratulations to Devikarani. I'm sure she is going to bring many more medals and laurels for our country, and surely she is going to inspire many other sportsmen.
I congratulate to Miss Devikarani Devi Konthoujam. Again, I congratulate to you. Makatar Padi, I Maital on the Hajake. The Sigi Asigumaba Central Wushu Association Gi Makada Akogi and Devikarani Hariba Sanaro in Pimasasina International level da championship the Singba Akogi medal sing Lobiratuna Central Wushu Association Amadi Akogi Manipur Pumbagi Oina Mijat Pubirak Pasi Aduki Matik Agi Maiketi Harau Tayambadu Pondoksari Aduga Hariba Central Wushu Association Aina Aigi Club Aina Puja Hantaka third term ni Ahumlak Subani Aduga Aigi second term Hariba Aigi second term gi Ahuba Matamduda Akogi Oza Biramani Amadi Aigi Maru M Gunadhor Makoi Adina Club Sida Langbiratuna Itau Yaragati Wushu Sanabam Jakoi Laitre Aduna Wushu gi Sananabagi platform Amakatang area Amakatang Tau site Kayumba arrangement tang provide to bang amagadi to adum tamating pangbiona ozab biramani amadi akogi gunador ani laktuna yonda haibiraki haiba matamda aina ai kaimta khantha bamta tawdana wai ai mayam dagi dum khudakta ai telephonic oina ai ayabodi lowi ai president na chingbadagi to president su yabirakpagi matungina khudakta e bai sumsoi soidana haiba khogi leiba community hall asida Nakoina Wushu Sananing Budu by Sanaro, Tabudu Akogi Lagagi Oba, Devikarani Singba, Tolpa Matam Katan Yadu Mini to the by Nikoi, Lepi Badumadini, Tangai Padumadi Lepi Batabani, Adu Lemo River, rest of the day, Mam Donakoina Masiki holds few coaster without any single price. Charles Todana, Nakoina, Koina Hek, Akoina Gi, Lakai site to Haita. Club Privacy, Ileka Zioina. Labor body Makak Webene, Ilaka Labor President, Corporation, people within a sea powder, Akogi Ozarna, Central Wushu Association, a sea of the Leptana, Akogi High become 200 still, Adum continue Tori, Adum Lakina Zusoid, Makatana, Dum Yabirakin and Kali, Adu Makatana, Dum Satavi, the way Hazubuki, whether the Akogi site to get that thing again. Akogi Makata, Sinatava, Karikari Labus in the Sukon Mating Pound of Dumponazake. Akosu Yamna sports Puri Amuxizaba, Samak, Akoi Sano Kodaba, Arawadi, Yamna, Hena, Kogi, Nimam Tona Mami Lena, Masak Tona Sanabo, Mudu Pina, the Yamna Sanabu, the Yamna Pamjarpa, Matomam Hagdadum, Sanazaba, the Yamna Observer, Badum, Misaka Makapurina, Sanaba Havoposima Kaki, Biensila Abukanda. I see Kudakta Akogi Magi parents site ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕ 3-4 ꯂꯩꯔ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯦꯡꯊꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯦꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯒꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯔꯥ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ if there is any possibility to help give assistance to our club is going to organize a free coaching camp throughout the year from class 4 to class 10 without taking any single charge from the students who are having here in this locality. First, I give the priority to our locality. After that, I will extend out of our locality. Then, firstly, I prefer to our locality. So, I again requested to sir, if any possible help from your bank, please kindly help our institution. We are going to launch very soon. Within after this festival, annual Yoksun festival. Yoksun festival. So please kindly give some attention to us also. Then suma ai akogi yam thu madamda akogi masi hawgadobagi akoi ngaidun leirabani akoi laikai sigi leijariba akogi poor and poorest, not poor and poorest only, all akogi पुथोपक affordable ओइबा family सिंगसु हाइबा अखोइना सेंजगदोरिबा class 4 to 10 gi sigi coaching throughout the year college school sine hek lairiboksi institution hek lairiboksi अखोइ दम मसी चाथरगा लाइननबगी दम अखोइ सेम साबा अखोइ हौजरे याम थुना हौजरगनी अदो मतमदु अखोइ प्रेस की मीडिया में आंदसु अखोइ मदु अखोइ खंगन जनरबगी दम अखोइ इनवाइट सोइदना अखोइ पिजरके हाइबसमा आई सुम थमजरी अदुगा ngasi amugasu hanna Canara Bank again, I thankful to Canara Bank again.